Hi, I'm Sean Henry from Floor Concepts. I know walking into a showroom and seeing thousands of samples can be a bit overwhelming, so let's break down how to choose the right tile for your home. With so many choices in materials and textures, finding the right tile for your specific space isn't always easy. We're creating this video to guide you through the decision-making process and break down how to match the right tile type to your family's routine, and how our team ensures you land at the absolute perfect fit without any stress. Tile flooring is a hard surface covering that is made from natural clays and minerals. They're shaped in a kiln fire with intense heat. There are three main categories. You have porcelain, ceramic, and natural stone. Porcelain tile is manufactured from dense clay and baked at extreme temperatures, resulting in a durable, scratch-proof, and waterproof surface that holds high moisture and heavy foot traffic effortlessly. What this means is that chips are less noticeable, especially when dealing with the through-body porcelain, which is done at higher temperatures and creates a color that goes seamlessly throughout the tile. Ceramic tile, a slightly lighter option that cuts easily and offers endless decorative glaze options, making it a great pick for general living spaces and accent areas. The one downside with ceramic tile is it's more porous than a porcelain tile. Thanks to modern technology and design, porcelain tile can actually be made to look like real hardwood, marble, or natural stone without the high cost of real natural stone or ceramic tile, with the benefits giving you a high-end style without the susceptibility of warping, water damage, or fading. You need a high-quality tile because you need a surface that easily tackles foot traffic, humidity, and spills while driving up your home's resale value. Unlike temporary or water-sensitive floors that warp and stain over time, a properly installed tile floor is built to last a lifetime. It also creates a clean environment that's easier to sanitize since it won't trap dust, pant dander, or allergens. Tile is especially good in areas like kitchens, bathrooms, foyers, laundry rooms, anywhere where there's moisture or it could be wet. Tile's perfect. Tile floors are not ideal for people that are looking for a low-cost, maintenance-free option, or if you prefer a soft, cushioned feel. Tile does require maintenance. You have to clean the grout and also reacts to temperatures more than other floors. Especially if you're in a cold environment, a tile floor will feel cold on your feet during the winter, whereas if you're in a hot environment, that may actually feel really nice for you underfoot. We recommend starting the process well ahead of major holidays or busy seasons so our team can complete precise site measurements and line up a seamless installation. Once preparation is complete, installation can usually take up to 5 days depending on the subfloor prep, drawing times, and layout complexity. The total investment for a tile is more than just the material pricing. It depends on your room's layout and unique requirements. On average, it can cost anywhere from $2 a square foot on the low end up to $100 a square foot for natural stone looks. The labor component is the big component with tile. Tile takes time to do it properly. You have to put down backer board, precise cuts have to be made. Specialty layout patterns can actually cause the labor to actually double in price. If you're doing something like a herringbone or a chevron pattern, making the cuts can take a lot longer than doing a straight brick pattern. For example, if a normal installation for tile is between $8 and $12 a square foot, think of a herringbone or chevron pattern being closer to $20 a square foot. Subfloor preparation is another major component for a proper installation. Investing in the proper underlayment, leveling compounds, and waterproof membranes guarantees a flat, stable surface that won't crack or leak water. To keep your project completely risk-free, every project we do is backed by our beautiful guarantee and our lifetime installation warranty. When you're ready to buy tile, we've streamlined our process into 3 clear steps. First, we sit down with you and understand your lifestyle, helping you narrow down your tile sizes, finishes, grout colors, and layout. We also will walk you through how many days we expect the installation to take. Second, we do a precise site assessment. We visit your home, we record accurate measurements, and we check your subfloor so that there are 0 surprise costs down the road. Finally, our skilled installation crew handles the build, protected by your 60-day zero regrets guarantee. If you aren't thrilled with the results, we'll swap it out for you. Ready to upgrade your space with long-lasting tile? Head over to the website and click the Request an Estimate button to schedule your free in-home consultation. Or drop by our local showroom here on Kirkwood Highway and explore our tile collections in person. We want you to be proud of your floors.